This hack will save you hours on preparing homemade dog treats. If you're a dog owner looking to pamper your furry friend, making chilled chicken treats is a game changer. Start with fresh, high-quality chicken. This is key for tasty treats. Simply boil the chicken until fully cooked, then shred it into bite-sized pieces. Next, mix in some low-sodium chicken broth and a splash of water to create a delicious blend. Pour the mixture into ice cube trays or silicone molds and freeze. In just a few hours, you'll have tasty, chilled treats ready to spoil your pup. These treats are not only easy to make, but also healthier than store-bought options. Your dog will love the fresh flavors, and you'll love knowing exactly what's in them. So, why not give it a try? Follow for more easy homemade dog treat recipes.